Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut and trim videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've got a few clips in my timeline here that I'd like to adjust, and let's say I want to make everything to about 5 seconds. So there are multiple ways you can go about this. You can cut them up manually using the razor tool here, which you can find at the sidebar, and you can cut them up manually and then just like so, and then left click on the frame or on the section of the video you'd like to delete, right click, then select ripple delete. So the difference between a regular delete and a ripple delete is if I do that again and if I simply delete it, there's a gap. But if you ripple delete, it will automatically fill in that gap. And it's just a way to save time if you have to cut and trim a lot of videos. Another way you can do this a bit faster is by clicking the ripple edit tool over here and simply adjusting the length of the videos that way. So any change you make, for example, if you'd like to extend this, it will automatically push the other clips forward for you. So you don't have to worry about overlapping them. Overall, I'd say this is about as long as I wanted each clip to be, just about 5 seconds, as you can see. So overall, this is about how long I wanted each clip to be, and I'm pretty satisfied with how my timeline is looking. So that's how you can cut and trim videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.